This video will be about how the Ecoflow Delta Pro runs a portable air conditioner. Now this is a 12,000 BTU unit based on the old BTU scale, and the Delta Pro has an output now of 0, so there's nothing running here in the shop, and my solar input is at about 1,200 watts, 1,180 watts. And so I'll just show you how many watts this thing takes, that it runs it easily and effortlessly. It comes on. Yeah, see that output? I never looked at that before. That was up to 4,000 watts startup. Interesting. And we're blowing cold air. I've got it vented out the wall, and I've got it tilted slightly downwards towards my workstation here, so it blows right on me while I'm working at the bench, or I can always just come over here and enjoy some cold air. So yeah, it's only pulling 841 watts, and the solar is more than able to cover that. If you think about renting an air conditioner off the Delta Pro and you have some solar panels, it'll do it. As I let this run a little bit, the output wattage is coming up from 850, and then it just steadily kept coming up and up and up. Now it seems to be hovering at 1,100, still going up a little bit, 1,140, 1,150 watts. So I'm not sure why an air conditioner would gradually use more power and then it's heating up and becoming less efficient. So solar is still keeping up, but I wanted to show you that it looks like stabilized power draw from this 12,000 BTU AC looks like 1,150 watts draw.